Hello all you cool cats and kittens, my name is Misha, and today I'm going to show you how to juggle 3 balls. If you don't have some nice juggling balls, I recommend buying a bunch of cuties. Not only are they roundish, but they are a bright color so it's easy for you to see. And when you're done juggling, you can eat them as a nice snack. Now when you first start learning how to juggle, you're going to want to start with 3. Don't do it. Just start with 1. Throw it from your right hand into your left hand and reverse, over and over again. Do this 100 times until you can pretty much do it without even looking. It seems repetitive, but it will really pay off in the end. Trust me. Once you have mastered this, you can move on to 2 balls. Throw the one ball towards the hand with the other ball and switch it out for the other one. Don't worry about catching the last one for now, just let it drop to the ground till you get the feel. Once you have mastered this, you can then catch the last ball in your open hand. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Now you can alternate between starting with your left and starting with your right. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Left hand, right hand. Once you have mastered this, you can move on to 3. Do the same thing you just did, just keeping the third ball glued to one hand. Alternate and make sure you can do this on the other side. Once you're ready, unglue that third ball to add the extra throw. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Now that you've done this, keep adding additional cycles and see how long you can go. Throw, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, 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 throw. Don't look now, but you're juggling. It's important to recognize the pattern you are creating. So to do this, I did an overhead shot so you can see. It is simply a triangle, where one point of the triangle keeps going through the 2 other points. Take note of how my hands are going in alternating circles in order to cross the ball underneath and up in between the 2 other ones. In other words, you throw the ball on the inside and catch the ball on the outside. Also, take note that the ball crosses in front of each one of my eyes, but doesn't go too much higher than my head. Now that you know how to juggle, start experimenting with new patterns and discover more tricks.